Pandas, group by a column that meets a condition. I have a data set with 3 columns: rating, breed, and dog. I would like to calculate the mean rating for breed where dog is true. This would be the expected. This has been my attempt. And this is the error that I get. But when I try add the where condition, I only get errors. Can anyone advise a solution? Tia.
Once you groupy and select a column, your dog column doesn't exist anymore in the context you have selected, and even if it did, you are not accessing it correctly. Filter your data frame first, then use groupy with mean.
An alternative solution is to make dog one of your grouper keys. Then filter by dog in a separate step. This is more efficient if you do not want to lose aggregated data for non-dogs.
If you want to see more, please don't see the subscribing.